Last weekend, my family gathered for our annual barbecue, hosted by my uncle, who was determined to outdo himself this year. As we set up, he unveiled his new toy, a flamethrower. I saw it on a cooking show, he proclaimed with the confidence of a TV chef. We watched with a mix of awe and horror as he ignited the contraption, ready to sear the perfect steak. The first few blasts were impressive, but then things took a turn. A gust of wind turned the backyard into a scene straight out of a disaster movie, with flames licking the sky and my uncle frantically trying to control the inferno. The fire department arrived just in time, hoses at the ready, and we all breathed a sigh of relief. As the chaos settled and we gathered around the charred remains of what was once dinner, my uncle shrugged, grinned, and said, "Well, I guess you could say I really brought the heat this year."